From Fox News, Trump signs executive order to eliminate no cash bail for suspects in D.C. and nationwide. President Trump just signed orders to end no cash bail in Washington, D.C. and nationwide, threatening to cut federal funding for jurisdictions that keep the policy. Trump claims his D.C. safety plan has led to 0 murders in 11 days and over 1,000 arrests, including illegal immigrants and gun seizures. Critics like New York City Mayor Eric Adams say no cash bail fuels recidivism, while data shows mixed results. Higher reoffending for felonies, lower for misdemeanors. Trump's also eyeing National Guard deployment to Chicago, but Mayor Johnson defends the city's crime drop, calling federal action uncalled for. From CNN, Gorsuch and Kavanaugh warn lower court judges in Trump cases. Justices Gorsuch and Kavanaugh are calling out lower court judges for defying Supreme Court rulings in cases tied to Trump's policies. Gorsuch warned judges can't ignore precedent as the court repeatedly backs Trump on immigration, spending, and agency leadership. Liberal Justice Jackson dissented, calling it Calvin Ball jurisprudence, arguing the court rewards Trump's lawlessness. Critics say Trump's attacks on judges fuel tension, while supporters cheer the court for reining in rogue lower courts. From Newsweek, Supreme Court to decide if ICE can arrest based on apparent ethnicity. The Trump administration wants the Supreme Court to overturn a judge's order stopping ICE from detaining people based on apparent ethnicity or speaking Spanish. A California judge ruled such stops likely violate the Fourth Amendment, issuing a temporary ban in the Los Angeles area. The case stems from arrests at the Pasadena bus stop, sparking a lawsuit against federal officials like Homeland Security's Kristi Noem. The court's decision could set a major precedent for how immigration agents use reasonable suspicion in enforcement. From the Daily Express, Fox News halts show for breaking Epstein alert, and it looks like a big win for Trump. Fox News paused its broadcast to discuss whether Trump should release Jeffrey Epstein's files as Congress prepares to receive them soon. Rep. Tim Burchett says Trump wants transparency, claiming the Biden admin sat on the files for years, potentially hiding evidence. Ghislaine Maxwell, Epstein's associate, told investigators she never saw Trump act inappropriately, backing his denial of wrongdoing. Trump banned Epstein from Mar-a-Lago years ago, but questions linger. Will the files reveal more about their connection? From Alternet, MAGA is panicking as Trump finally meets his match. Opinion. California's Gavin Newsom is taking on Trump with memes and mockery, shaking up the cultural battlefield in politics. Newsom's tactics expose how Republicans use cultural framing, like law and order or freedom, to dominate narratives. From Nixon's dog whistle to Trump's spectacle, the GOP has mastered cultural storytelling while Democrats lag behind. The author urges Democrats to reclaim American values like fairness and opportunity, as FDR did, to win hearts and voters. From Fortune, Trump is bringing in enough revenue from tariffs to cut deficits by $4 trillion over the next decade, CBO says. The CBO says Trump's tariffs on China, Mexico, and more could cut deficits by $4 trillion over the next decade. Higher tariffs mean less federal borrowing, saving $3.3 trillion in deficits and $700 billion in interest by 2035. Critics warn tariffs act like a sales tax, raising prices for Americans, while Trump says they protect U.S. jobs. But with new spending bills like OBBBA adding $3.4 trillion to deficits, legal challenges could derail the plan. And as always, thank you for the like, comment, and subscription.